Today, we will check how to use the TickTick app on a mobile phone. So first of all, install the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once it's installed, tap on the icon to open it. Once it opens, you'll be prompted to either log in or sign up, and you can choose the option that suits you best. I will continue with a Google account. Once logged in, you'll see a page where you can select the features you want to add to your workspace. Continue to move to the next page. Here, choose the lists you need for your workspace. For example, you might already have work and personal selected, but you can add more categories like fitness and learning. After selecting them, click Continue to proceed. On the next page, you can choose your favorite theme for the app. Pick the color you like the most, then tap Continue. Once you do that, you'll be taken inside the app, where you'll see the welcome page with some tutorials on how to get started and the key features. You can also explore premium options and social media links at the very bottom. Now let's dive into its features one by one. On the top left corner, tap on the 3 horizontal lines and a sidebar will appear on the screen. Here, you'll see your workspace name at the top. From this sidebar, select the Today option. This will show you all the tasks and projects scheduled for today. If you don't have any tasks listed, you can add a new one by tapping the plus icon at the bottom right corner. A new panel will appear on the screen with a text field. Enter your task name, for instance, Urgent Meeting. To schedule it, tap on the calendar icon, and it will open the calendar panel on the screen. Here, simply select the month or date. You can also schedule the time, set a reminder, and choose whether the task should repeat. I will select today at 9 a.m. and confirm it by tapping the check mark. Now your meeting is scheduled. If you want, you can set its priority according to your needs from high to low. I will select high since it's urgent. Next, you can also add hashtags. Simply tap on the hashtag icon and add a keyword like today. You can also add this task to a specific list. For example, I will select work for this meeting. If you tap the 3 dots, you'll find additional options such as adding an image, creating a template, or adjusting settings. Once everything is set, tap the upward arrow icon to save the task, and you'll see it on your list. If you tap on the meeting, it will open all the details that you just added. Now, from the top left, tap on the 3 lines again, and this time select Inbox. Here on this page, you'll see all your personal messages and notes from colleagues. On the sidebar, next to the inbox, you will find tags. If we tap on it, you'll see the Today tag that we just added to the recent task. This helps you filter all tasks with that tag. Now let's move to the lists. From here, tap on Work. Here you'll see the meeting we just added to this list. You can also add more tasks by tapping the plus icon again. Back in the list section, if you open your personal list, you can add tasks related to your personal routine, habits, and goals. For example, if I tap Start from these things, you'll get some suggestions. For instance, if I tap Dine Out with Friends, it will be added to your list. You can set the date from the calendar. Simply tap on the task and from this panel, tap on Date. It will open the calendar on the screen. Select the date you want and tap the check mark to confirm it. Now you'll receive a reminder as the date approaches. From the sidebar, if you want to add a new list, tap the plus icon at the bottom left. A new page will appear on the screen. Here, enter the new list name, choose a color theme, and select the list type. Once everything is done, tap the check mark to save it. The new list will appear in your sidebar, and you can start adding tasks to it right away, just like we did before. On the home screen, if you tap the calendar icon at the bottom, you'll see all your scheduled tasks there. You can also add new ones from this section. Next, if you tap the clock icon, it will show all your habits, personal meetings, and tasks. If you tap the calendar icon with a star, it will take you to the countdown page where you can see all your upcoming deadlines. Finally, if you tap on the settings icon, it will allow you to customize your profile and explore premium features. Close this page and go back to the home screen. Here, if you tap the 3 dots on the top right, a new menu will open where you can find more customization options for your lists and tasks. And that's it. This is a simple and short overview of the TickTick mobile app.